Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a direct deposit form for Ally Bank. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to use direct deposit straight into Ally Bank. Maybe you have a checkings account in Ally Bank or a savings account, and with your direct deposit, you want that to be sent straight to Ally Bank. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first let's log into our Ally Bank, which looks like this, and then you want to click on Profile. And then once you reach this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says direct deposit. So here's where you're going to decide where to deposit your money into. So if you have multiple accounts, you can click on this toggle menu and then see which account you want to deposit to. And then afterwards, you can either see the account and routing info, such as clicking here and then giving this to your employer, or you can generate a pre-filled form. So by clicking on pre-filled form, you just need to select the account and then choose the deposit type, whether it's the entire amount, the percentage, or a specific amount, and then click on generate form. So this form that you see right here, some of it's blurred out, but you can simply just give this to your employer and then they can actually go ahead and set up direct deposit straight to their Ally Bank. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually get your direct deposit form on Ally Bank. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.